are on our way to go pull a semi. Got the blue diesel going. Got Ben there behind me. I guess another tow company came out here and tried, and they couldn't get their tow truck out to it. So they called us, and we find that it's easier to take a couple small rigs than one big one. So we'll see how this one goes. We pulled a couple semis out of here. GPS keeps leading them into really stupid places out here. This is out by Eagle Mountain, Lake Mountain Boulevard. So we'll see what happens, and hopefully you guys enjoy the show. Howdy, howdy.
You're in a little bit of a predicament. Just a little.
Yeah, this is not a road for a semi, huh?
So did it bring you over from the school trust lands over where the construction is?
Got it.
Well, they parked the trailer up on top in that big parking area where all the haciendas are and stuff. They had a race here over the weekend.
Oh, okay.
And I was picking up the trailer, and I should have went back out the way I came in.
other way, yeah.
But Google kept saying I could come out this way.
Yeah.
Not.
Google. It gets semi drivers in really bad positions out here.
It does.
Okay, hold on.
It is moving some, but he needs help pulling that way. I think if I move where
I think you should be over here.
I was gonna say right about here, and leave mine hooked up right about here, and you go in front of them and pull forward that way. I think
agree.
it'll go.
Yeah,
'Cause it was moving.
I think you need to even be further over than that, but because it's just climbing now.
Yeah, it's going. It's moving. But he just doesn't have traction, so we need probably this in front pulling that way.
Go ahead and suck it in. Definitely got to re-spool that.
Yeah.
Okay. Leave it there. All right. I'll jump in it and go get in front of him. Big old rope. So I went and looked on the other side. You're only about 1.5 feet from the top.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be
Until we get.
and then you're gonna hit the top and it's gonna go boof. As soon as it does that, don't get
Don't get excited. Yeah.
excited and hit the throttle and go. In fact, slow it down.
Yeah.
Take it easier.
Just get us up out of here, and that's.
Yeah. Okay.
some pressure on it. Caleb's going to be pulling with the blue diesel up there. He's pulling on the front with the strap. And I'm pulling on the back of the trailer.
Okay, I'm ready.
Just keep going, it's looking good. Trailer's leaning a bit, but looks like it should go. Sounded bad. It went. Alright, now I gotta catch up with them. Pavement. We made it. We had air releases for those air brakes. It just blows dust everywhere. Can't really see anything there. We'll get down here. Just come out a little bit. What he was hung up on right there. He had one set of duals there and one set there, and it just high centered right on the center, so I had to drag it through that.